Sunday, the 26th of February 2023, and we are at Liverpool's Pierhead to commemorate the introduction of Liverpool Corporation's fleet of Leyland Atlanteans. On the 4th of February 1963, the first of the fleet would enter service on the 86 and 87 services out to Garston. Liverpool's first Atlantean was the experimental E2. This was to lead to an order for 380 more buses, but with a much improved design to Liverpool Corporation specifications. Our bus today is L501 and was the star of the 1962 Earls Court Commercial Motor Show. After arrival at the Pierhead, the participants of today's tour, all members of the Merseyside Transport Trust, board the bus for a run on the 87 service out to Garston.
And all of a sudden you get water pouring through these.
I said to Trevor, I think you're on there. You've seen a video. Who's to look Trevor?
Where it should be now, yeah?
On the way we stop at Belvedere Road for a photo stop.
Looks like that could be the last shot of some of these. I feel quite normal today compared to some.
At Garston, the bus is parked up for more photos alongside the site of what was Garston Bus Garage.
Well, actually, I think
After a run back into Liverpool to pick up more tour members, we then do a 79C service out to Lee Park. Some of the locals wondering what on earth is going on.
Did you get that?
Yes, I did. Mind the doors, please.
Before you turn right into that Get the thingy.
Did you get it with all the cars down on the way in? You're looking at
Yeah, basically.
We then did a short run to Belvale Shopping Centre, where there was a break for refreshments. Whilst here, some of the shoppers asked me why we were taking pictures of the bus. I don't think they believed me when I told them.
do it in English? Yeah. Well, that's all right.
It was soon time to get back on board and return to Liverpool, this time as a 79D. Before getting to the pier head, the bus is seen posing for cameras outside Lime Street Station. At pier head, the destination is changed to a 44D to Northwood and Kirby. On our way, we passed the former Liverpool Corporation Transport Gilmoss bus depot, now home to Stagecoach buses.
I've been on it, and you can't. The only one you can see out is the front screen. You literally cannot see.
At the appropriately named terminus, Roughwood Drive, the participants take their photographs.
It's an education going round there,
Isn't it, John? Put it there. This'll do.
No,
Put a fucking back and tell you.
I've been on there. This is what I go.
Drive it from here round the turn circle rather than we
Yeah. On.
The buses then turn round the turning circle before heading back into Liverpool.
That's potential, doesn't it? Oh, yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
What?
Set the block.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah. Where do we find out of here? That's it.
Back at the pierhead, most of the members disembark, whilst the busker murders some Beatles songs. Meanwhile, we'll accompany Atlantean L501 on his trip back home, but only as far as Seaforth. I hope you've enjoyed this celebration of 60 years of the Liverpool Atlanteans.